Hey y'all, it's Shelly, and today I have another TikTok recipe. Andy and them showed me, so we're gonna try it and try to surprise them before they get back. But it's those corn ribs, and it's basically you put your ingredients. You're gonna bake them. You can either put them in the oven, or you could put them in your air fryer. We don't have an air fryer, so I'm gonna put them in the oven. And the ingredients are, you have olive oil, some lemon pepper, garlic, you got chili powder, you got some paprika, salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to make it kind of a elote style by adding some, not cojita cheese, but some Parmesan cheese, because I like Parmesan cheese, and that cojita is kind of strong. And then I'm going to sprinkle some cilantro in it. So let me flip the camera down and be right back. I'm going to get everything mixed in this bowl. Like I said, there is 4 tablespoons of this olive oil. I might put more depending on, because these corn, the cobs that I have, they are a little big. So that's 4 tablespoons. Actually, I'll do 5, because yeah, they are big. 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then the rest is going to be 2 teaspoons of all these ingredients that I just mentioned. The lemon pepper, some garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, and I don't think this was opened yet. And this is the smoked paprika. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of that. Just a little bit of salt, and then some pepper. May add more, and it's not going to be spicy. So I'm give it a stir to mix this all up. Yeah, I'm definitely going to add the cheese, because even though I add the lemon pepper to it, I can taste the spice of, the smokiness of the paprika. So, and then I'll put my cilantro in. And then, now the corn, I did it in fourths. And all I did was, I took a piece of corn, and it was hard to do. Let me cut this off. Those thick pieces. So I just did some offline. But that's one, and then I did them in fourths. That's a half. So I'm gonna have some short ribs. And then, okay. So then you have these pieces like this. So then I'm just going to toss them around. Give them a good coat like this. And I'll put the cheese on it right before it's done, because I just don't want it to burn. Okay, so here they are. I'm just going to take the rest that I have and drizzle it on top. I'm gonna bake them on 400 for about 10 minutes in intervals. I'm gonna watch them, and then when they're done, we'll give them a taste. Okay, so the time is up. I'm gonna take it out the oven. I have a plate because I'm ready to eat it. Okay, I flipped it halfway through. So I'm gonna plate it up and I'm gonna get some testers to see how it tastes. And there you have it. That's just the seasoning on there, so be right back. All right, Kaylin, I'm gonna taste test it. I added some Parmesan cheese to the top so they can, you know, grab a piece and taste it. Yeah, grab a small piece. Here's a napkin. And is off camera. No, you just eat the top. You can't eat the husk. Be careful, Kayla, because you don't eat the husk part. And it's hot. Good. What's the money for? Somebody got money?
That was me.
It's my phone.
What you get money for?
I did not get money.
Yeah, she did.
No, I didn't.
That's the only time mine would go cha-ching, huh?
Test survey.
Oh.
Survey offer. It's good.
It's good? Yeah? Okay. So, there's another TikTok thing.
Yeah.
See you when we see ya. Bye.